Hey everybody, it is the Honey Badger, and today we're going to be installing these brackets into the GX. What these are going to do is actually lift the front part of the seat, which should give my legs better support. Now this is probably a modification that's best done if you're a little bit taller or you want the front of your seat up a little bit higher. Like I said, mostly just the front. Again, it's just to support your legs better, so it's a little bit more comfortable while you're sitting and driving. And yeah, we're gonna put these in. Let's get them started, and we'll go from there and do a long-term little review of how I like them after we drive around with them for a bit. Now, I think we'll be able to do this job with minimal tools. I think mostly we just need to pop off the plastic that's protecting them. I don't believe we'll even need to take out the whole seats. So I think once we get these off, yep, those are just gonna pop off. Once we get those off, we'll just unbolt this. Let's go figure out what bolt size this is, and then we will really, I think, just tip it, insert them, put it all back together. Shouldn't be too difficult. Should only take about a minute. So it looks like the stock bolt we'll be taking out is a 14 mil just to get it out. Now it does have these metal guides, and that's going to go up at the top part, while this goes down at the bottom part, and then it'll sit on top of it. So let's just tip this back. All right, once you get it lined up, it actually does sit in it pretty okay. All right, both of the bases are in. Now, nothing's secured. We will use the original hardware to secure it back to the vehicle. We'll use the new hardware to secure it to the bracket. All right, here we go. We do have the brackets fully installed now. The angle to film was pretty horrible, obviously, but they're in. You can see about an inch here, so it's gonna really raise it up at the front of your legs. So if you carry most of your height in your legs, which I do, that's gonna help this come up so your thighs are better supported where your legs are long instead of them being so far off the seat. So we'll see if it makes a difference. We're gonna now drive around for a couple weeks. I'll report back, see if I notice a difference or if I like it, and we'll go from there. Let's find out. All right, let's check in now. It's been a few months since we installed those brackets. The vehicle actually looks a bit different because we've been working on other projects. Make sure you are subscribed because those will be coming out soon. But overall, in terms of the way that this has all checked out, they're staying in. Overall, I really do like the way they've adjusted the seat. I find it a bit more comfortable for me. So overall, I do recommend this if you are a little bit taller and you want to see if you can get your seat just a little bit more comfortable. Again, it's not that it was uncomfortable without them, but this does give my legs better support. So like I said, I'm about 6'2". If you're a little bit taller, definitely could be something worth looking into. So they're staying in for now. Links are in the description. If you check those out and you do purchase with any of those, I do get a small kickback. It does help me make more content. So obviously check them out if you want. But if not, no worries there either. Leave a like on the video too. That always helps people find these easier and allows me to also make more content too. All the stuff you guys do, obviously watching the videos and liking them, it goes a long way. So I do greatly appreciate that. But that's gonna be this video for now. Like I said, I got other ones coming out soon too. So make sure you are subscribed like I said. But other than that, I'll just see all of you guys in the next video.